Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video and this is the first time if you are watching my video, then hi, I'm Dimple. I make beauty, fashion and fitness related content. So please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And do let me know in the comment section below how do you like this look, and without further ado, let's begin the video now. First of all, I'm starting with the moisturizer. Here I am using Cetaphil moisturizer to moisturize my face. Always remember to prep your skin very well before doing any sort of makeup, because makeup won't look good on a dry flaky skin. So do moisturize your skin very well so that makeup can look glowy and skin can look plump and yeah, no makeup look, it doesn't mean you don't have to use makeup. Of course, it looks like your skin but better. That's called no makeup look. And now I'm going to use Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I'm going to use a very light layer. Okay, I'm not going to use excess product here. And of course, little bit on neck, and then I'm going to blend it with the beauty blender. I'm not going to use concealer in today's makeup because for no makeup look, I feel concealer is a bit too much. So yeah, and you can use your finger, but I like the finish which beauty blender gives me. So I'm going to blend it properly. I'm making sure it looks like my skin. In case I forget to mention any product, I will list all the products and the details and the shade name and number in the description box below, so you guys can check that out, right? As I always do. Okay, it looks good now. Yeah, and I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm going to set lightly my under eyes. That's it. And what is left over, I'm just lightly dabbing it on my face like so. So yeah, I just love to use cheek tint on my cheeks, you know, for that flush cheek looks. So I'm just going to use quite a lot actually, as you can see here, because this is the first thing which wears off from your face, you know, so you need to apply more. You can always use your beauty blender if you feel it is extra, like I'm showing you here. I don't feel actually extra, but yeah, okay. I'm going to use a lipstick. This is a red lipstick, but don't worry, we are going to blot it down, okay? It is not going to look overboard. See what I'm doing here. That's it. I'm just going to use it as a tint. So yeah, as you can see here, how pretty and how fresh it looks. Now, I'm going to use little bit of lipstick on my eyelids also, like this. So it doesn't look like blank canvas, and everything comes together like I want it to be monochromatic little bit. So yep, see, now it looks pretty decent and pretty good. I love to do my eyebrows because अगर मैं कुछ नहीं भी करती ना, तो I just feel that you just do your eyebrows and it just frames your whole face, and then your face looks very structured and very sharp and very put together. Yeah. I'm just lightly filling the sparse areas because I already have a fuller brows, so I don't need to do much with my eyebrows. But if you guys need to do your eyebrows, fill it in nicely. Yeah. Done. I'm going to tightline my upper lash line, and firstly I'm going to tightline my upper lash line like so. You will feel that it doesn't make any difference, but it does. Okay, it makes your lashes look fuller and very thick. I apply my eyeliner like I apply the kajal in my upper lash line and lower lash line like this quickly, so it just lightly get filled in my upper and lower both lash line, and my eyes looks defined little bit. I'm going to use mascara. For that I'm going to use L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I'm removing excess product from the wand, and then I'm lightly going to fill my eyelashes. Coat my eyelashes like so. Mascara does make a lot of difference, you know. It looks so pretty. So yeah, this is the final look. This is my version of no makeup look. I like to wear little bit of color on my face whether I am wearing makeup or not. So let me know how do you like this look, and please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I will see you all super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.